Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Shouldn't have gotten them presents.
Oh, Lonnie, I'm sorry about early.
Ferrari was the best Ferrari. Which one of them looked more like a Ferrari? They were in
Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Right there, in the hood, right there.
When it was time to stop, you know what he said? The youngsters will tell you.
How could I forget, with all the residents?
¿Te gusta nuestra tierra? Right now. Hello, face. Drop
Give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! May Doc have mercy on your soul. All right, I want to know. Don't worry about it, kid. The least I could do. After all, gas can is my middle name.
It is? Anything. Mater. Remember, your brakes ain't gonna work on.
Is right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! Big Queen is...
Hey, what? What's going on? That's what I... Oh, no, no, no! The road. I'll make it worse. I'll scrape it off. Start over again.
Hey, look, Grandpa, I'm not...
You know, like the flame job. Maybe 4 flames. Yeah.
You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Sure.
Oh, pass him. Then win. Francesco always wins. It's a boarding. I gotta tell you, dude, you're in trouble.
My name's Matey.
Maybe?
Yeah, like Matey.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative...
Watching him work is making me thirsty. Anybody else want something to drink? Nah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey! Jackson Storm, right? Great.
'95, Lightning McQueen.
Thank you so much for having me.